Very well. Nice to see you as always.
Yeah, what brings Pax8 to the Cloud and Cybersecurity?
Well, Cloud and Cybersecurity, obviously. We are just here talking to MSPs, MSSPs, and general IT service providers about what they can do through Pax8 from a management, traction, and even go-to-market strategy perspective around all things cloud, cybersecurity adoption, and help them put together a winning strategy to go service their end user customers using SaaS products.
And our colleague Mostin Thomas,
Yes,
who's going to be
absolutely.
speaking a little bit later, so we'll grab a video with Mostin. But tell us what's new at Pax8, because you've got a lot of vendors here from the Pax8 community, for instance.
We do, quite a few, and some new ones. I think the last time we spoke, we had just announced the launch of CrowdStrike. They are here, a vendor that we've worked with quite a while, and SentinelOne. IronScale's actually just across the way from us. So a lot of the vendors that we work with today, our partners are already transacting through Pax8. Some more interesting ones in store. We also announced not long ago the launch of Beyond EMEA, which is our annual first time doing it locally as opposed to in the US. So we're really excited to bring that event and that programming to our partners this side of the world as well.
Very exciting that the Beyond event comes to Europe, and it's in Berlin.
That's correct.
In
October
time.
Yes.
Thank you for remembering that. So we'll be there. We're looking forward to it. If people want to find out more about Pax8, or they want to look at Pax8 Beyond EMEA, where's the best place for them to go?
You can reach out to anybody that you know that might work at Pax8. We're happy to help you get registered or learn a little bit more about the event. You can go to pax8.com to go learn more about Beyond. Send me a LinkedIn message. That's Alex Bermudez. I am more than happy to connect with you, give you a little bit of information about the event and all the other wonderful things that Pax8 are doing to support the MSP community.
And we should say, you have got a prime spot here, because we're right by the main area. People are coming and going and that, so here for the next couple of days. So people can come and, if you're watching this and at the event, come and say hello to Alex and the team.
Come hang out with us. Looking forward to it.
Cheers, Alex.
Thank you.